Good morning guys. In this video you will know what is the correct procedure to fill the application form of IMU CET 2021. What is the age criteria, what is the qualification. So please watch this video till end, then only you will understand what is the correct procedure. Thank you and enjoy the video. IMU CET 2021 exam date, application form, eligibility, admit card. IMU CET 2021 Indian Maritime University will conduct IMU CET 2021 to provide admissions into the various engineering undergraduate courses offered by the campuses. Registrations for IMU CET 2021 will commence tentatively from the first week of April. All eligible candidates will have to submit the application form of tentatively before the second week of May to participate in the entrance examination and admission process. IMU CET will be conducted as a computer-based test tentatively in the first week of June. The result of IMU CET 2021 will be available in online mode and the qualified candidates will be able to participate in the counseling session. Admission will be done on the basis of rank secured in the examination. IMU CET 2021 score can also be used for admission into affiliated colleges. Read the full article to know about overview of IMU CET 2021 particulars. Details: examination name Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, commonly known as IMU CET. Conducting body Indian Maritime University. Level of exam: national exam mode, computer based test, duration 3 hours, application mode online, number of participating institutes 21, admission process on the basis of entrance examination. Timelines of the various events related to the entrance examination will be released through the important dates of IMU CET 2021. Candidates are advised to check the date to lessen the chances of missing out on any event such as application form release, admit card and more. Since the present session dates have not been released yet, the candidate can check the tentatively dates from below. 2021 important dates. Event important dates: availability of application form first week of April 2021. Final date to register and pay the fees second week of May 2021. Last date to submit the application form second week of May 2021. Availability of admit card third week of May 2021. IMU CET 2021 first week of June 2021. Announcement of result first week of June 2021. Commencement of counseling second week of June 2020. Eligibility criteria 2021. For admission into the participating institutes, the candidate are expected to meet certain conditions which are listed out in the eligibility criteria of IMU 2020. And if the certain is not may be the candidates, then they will not be allotted into the offered seats. Therefore, the candidates are advised to check the eligibility criteria before filling the application form. Age limit: general category candidate should be minimum 17 years and maximum 25 years on 1st August 2021. For SC/ST category, there is a 5 year. Academic requirement: should have qualified 12th standard or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry and mathematics from any recognized central or state board. The equivalent examination are CBSE, ICSE, intermediate or 2-year pre-university examination conducted by a recognized board. University General Certificate Education Examination, London, Cambridge, Sri Lanka. At the advanced A-level, final examination of the 2-year course of the Joint Service Wing on the National Defence. Nation High School Certificate Examination of the Cambridge University or International Diploma of the International Baccalaureate Office. General Senior Secondary School Examination conducted by the National Institute of Open School with a minimum of 5 subject diploma recognized by AICTE or a state board of technical education of at least 3 year duration. Any public school board university examination in India or in any foreign country recognized as equivalent to 10+2 system of the Association of India. Required candidate should have scored minimum 60% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics. At least 50% marks have to the secured in English. Relaxation of marks will be given to SC/ST candidates. However, it will not applicable for English. Medical fitness: for money engineering candidates will have to issue a medical certificate from doctors who are approved by the Director General of Shipping. For B.Tech and BSc Shipbuilding and Repair, the candidates will have to issue a physical fitness certificate from a registered medical eyesight. For BSc Applied Nautical Science, BSc Nautical Science, BSc Maritime Science, and B.Tech Marine Engineering, the candidate should not be squint, have morbid condition of eyes, the eyelids that are liable to aggravate or recur. There should no pressure of trachoma and iris complication, squall, good binocular vision, eyeball should move in all direction, pupil should react normally to light and accommodation. Candidates joining DNS, BSc Nautical Science and BSc Maritime Science degree courses, color vision shall have 1.06 by 6 in better eye and 0.676 by 9 in other eye. Normal color vision shall be tested by the test chart. Candidates applying for B.Tech Marine Engineering shall have 6 by 12 in each eye. IMU CET application form 2021. Registration for IMU CET 2021 will commence tentatively in the first week of April. Candidates will have to fill and submit the application form of IMU CET 2021 in the online mode before the final date to participate in the admission process. No other mode of application will be available. Unregistered candidates will not be allowed to attempt the entrance examination. It must noted that all details to enter to be steps to fill IMU application form. Registration. Candidates will have to visit the official website and click on the registration link. Valid email address and mobile number has to use for registration purpose. Filling of form. Next, the candidate will have to fill the application form with the correct personal, academic and communication details. All information should be as per the document possessed by the candidate. Uploading of scanned documents. The scanned photograph, signature, 10th marksheet, 12th certificate and STOBC NCL certificate if applicable has to be uploaded as per the specification mentioned by the authorities. Fee payment. The required application has to be paid by the candidate in the online mode, net banking, credit card, debit card. Submission of form. In the final step, the candidate will have to check the details that they have provided and submit the application form. Application fees. Category application fees. General OBC category rate 1000, SC ST category rate 700. IMU CET Exam Center 2021. The authorities will release the list of cities where the entrance examination will be conducted through the exam centers of IMU CET 2021. Candidates can check the list to select their preferred city and fill it out in CET Exam Center 2021. The authorities will release the list of cities where the entrance examination will be conducted through the exam center of IMU CET 2021. Candidates can check the list to select their preferred city and fill it out in the application form. 3 preferences can be selected by the candidate. Allotment of exam centers will be done as preference and availability. Agra, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Madurai, इलाहाबाद, मीरठ, बेंगलोर, मुंबई, भोपाल, मुजफ्फरपुर, भुवनेश्वर, नागपुर, चंडीगढ़ and 25 number it's a New Delhi. भुवनेश्वर, नागपुर, चंडीगढ़, न्यू दिल्ली, चेन्नई, नोएडा, कोचीन, पटना, कोयम्बतूर, पुणे, देहरादून, रायपुर, फरीदाबाद, रांची, गुवाहाटी, शिमला, हैदराबाद, सिलीगुड़ी, जयपुर, श्रीनगर, कानपुर, त्रिवेंद्रम, कोलकाता, वाराणसी, कोटा, विशाखापट्टनम. IME CET exam 2021 pattern. Candidates will be able to know the details regarding how the entrance examination will be conducted through the exam pattern of IMU CET 2021. Information regarding the details such as duration, medium of language, number of questions and more will be available in exam pattern. By referring the exam pattern, the candidate will be able to prepare accordingly for the entrance examination. Particulars, details: exam mode, computer based test, duration 3 hours, medium of exam English, nature of questions multiple choice questions, sections, that is mathematics. In mathematics it will come 50 questions. Sections: physics 50 questions, chemistry 25 questions, English 25 questions, general knowledge 25 questions, general aptitude questions 25. Total number of questions will come in that examination. It will be around 200 questions. Negative marking, no negative marking will be done. IMU CET syllabus 2021. The authorities will be released the syllabus of IMU CET 2021 in online mode. The topics and units which have to be studied for the entrance examination will be available through the syllabus. Candidates are advised to check the syllabus for preparation of the entrance examinations. IMU CET 2021 syllabus, we will discuss which syllabus will come in that duration. IMU CET 2021 syllabus: English, part of speech, synonyms and antonyms,